27 now, and I've been uploading these kind of backwards. So I turn my new weeks start every Saturday. So I'm just starting out week 27 right now, but I've been like posting them backwards like the week before, if that makes any sense. So technically, I'm starting week 27 now. Okay, so let's talk about some updates for week 27 on the baby, because I realized that I haven't been doing that. I've been just talking about like my symptoms, but not like the baby's development. So, according to my baby app, which I know it's all just, what do you call it? Like a guesstimation. I was reading that this week of 27th week, whatever, the baby can now open and close his eyelids, which is cool. You know, I have all my kids all far apart, so I kind of forget how things go. But this week, that is one of the developments, is that the baby can open and close their eyes now. It was saying that like if they hiccup, you can feel it, which I have felt him one time hiccuping this past week. So yeah, and he's about the size of a cabbage. And it says on the app he's about 2 pounds, which it might be a little more, because at 24 weeks he was 1 pound 8 ounces. So I'm gonna be, anyways, so I think he's around 2 pounds, if not a little more. I think that's about it. It tells you how long they are, but I don't know. I really think all my kids will end up being the same size when at birth, because I'm really short, like really, really short. If you know me in real life, you know I'm like freaking short. So eventually my body just can't hold a certain amount of weight, I think. So 6 pounds 3 ounces, that's what both of my kids were when they were born. So I think this baby will be the same. I don't see him being any bigger. Maybe smaller, but not bigger. Be nice.
Hi guys.
Go put your stuff away.
My mom just
Put your stuff in your room.
tricked us and said that Rocky was gone. And that made me really sad. What was that finger, Mom?
He will get given away if he keeps peeing. Just saying. Look at him. Look at him. Keeps peeing in the house. He's gonna get given away. Did you pee? Yeah. Yeah, you better act like scared. She. Alright. Bump date time. Here we are. Gosh, everything is like, I'm wearing black. Everything's black in the background. Here we are. These legs and this booty, girl. Like, I'm growing like this. So, here we are. Let me get closer. My leggings are a little see-through. So, here's our 27-week bump. I'm trying to get in a good... Oh my gosh. There's like no good lighting in my house. Hold on. Anyway, this is where the belly's at right now. Getting bigger. Okay, we're gonna go get some lunch. We don't have our kids today. Every time we don't have our kids, we're like, what are we gonna do today? We usually just go eat or watch a movie. So we're going to...
Red Lobster.
He's so excited. You hear it in his voice.
Oh yeah, we'll tear it up.
Yeah, we got a gift card for Christmas, so we're like, we're using that. Because it's only us that can go. The kids ain't gonna eat nothing there. So when we get our food, I'll show you. But me and baby are hungry. I'm getting so hungry. I get like really nauseous when I don't eat. So I have only eaten like crackers and Teddy Grahams today. So I'm ready to get my grub on.
Yeah.
before you wreck yourself. Come on, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Cause shotgun bullets are bad for your health. The Cuban and they get played, cause they bitch made pulling out a switchblade. That's kind of rifle, cause that's an IFO, AK-47, assault rifle, new style. Watch out. Yo, guys and Nick, you better run a shit. So check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on and check yourself before you rickety wreck.
Alright, so we are coming up on a new week, so I need to go ahead and end this week's vlog update, whatever. Basically, I still am having the pelvic pain, and after like looking at, I'm in like mom groups on Facebook and baby center and stuff, and after looking up, you know, my like what I was feeling, I realized that I most likely have SPD, which is like symphysis pubis disorder. Just, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. But basically, like, my pubic bone feels like it's splitting, and some days are good, some days are bad. This week I've had a few bad days. It just depends on like what I'm doing during the day. Like yesterday I had a good day. I was sitting on the couch working all day, and then we went to go get groceries at night, and that just put me like, oh, that just sent me over. I was in so much pain. I have to sit in the bath. I'm gonna talk to my doctor about it at my next visit. I know you can get like belts to support that area, but I have, at this point, I have like a little over 12 weeks left in this pregnancy, so I just don't know if I feel like I can justify buying something like that. Another thing is I started having really bad migraines last week, and I get like really, like I get pain in my neck right here, and it just shoots up to my head. And so I was really bad last week, and to the point where I called into work one day, and then I had my mom even come up to my house and like give me a massage, because I went and got a prenatal massage, if you saw my last vlog, and homegirl did not, she was just like doing some stupid stuff. She wasn't even massaging my muscles. She was like doing some weird pressure thing. It didn't work. The migraines have been not fun. I actually ended up going to the doctor to get checked because the pain was so bad, and I couldn't get a good blood pressure reading on my I have a home blood pressure thing, because I do have high blood pressure. I had it before I was pregnant, and I was on a medication, but I had to stop taking that medication because it wasn't safe during pregnancy, and they gave me something else, and I don't like it. They told me that I need to keep taking it, but it makes me so dizzy. It makes me nauseous. It makes me actually have a headache, which is weird. And so I've been fighting wanting to take it. Plus, I just like hate knowing that I'm taking something with my baby in there. So I don't know. I'm kind of fighting that one. But I also realize that having high blood pressure also is not good. But anyways, so those are the things that I'm currently going through. Sleep has not really been on my side. I can't sleep. I usually come out here on the couch and sleep at night. I try to sleep in my bed, but usually by like 2 in the morning I'm out here on the couch, and it still sucks. I mean, look at I look like crap today because I don't care. I'm tired. I'm trying to get more sleep before the baby comes, but sleep is a thing of the past. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog. We're gonna be starting a new week here in a couple days, so I will continue with that. Next week I have my glucose test for diabetes, pre-diabetes or gestational diabetes. So I will vlog that and update on that. Sorry, my dog is right here. Hey, my honey. Hey, my honey. He likes to give hugs, huh? Oh. My dog will really come up and give you a hug if you're close with him. I know he's scruffy. People call him ugly. Oh, people call you ugly. He's a cute dog, though. Alright, we're going to end this. Huh, Rox? Can you say bye? Say bye. Okay, we'll see you in the next week's vlog. Bye.